In the box, you get the Philips Norelco 3000 series, the user guide, the warranty, a charger or storage bag and a protective cap for the blades. Design-wise, nothing special, it's a classic rotary head shaver. That said, the version I have looks pretty good in black with some blue and chrome details. It's not a work of art, of course, but visually I still like it. The body is mostly plastic, but the build quality is solid. Nothing moves, everything feels tight and well assembled. And it's pleasant to hold, especially thanks to the non-slip grips on the sides. Alright, let's put it to the test and I'll come back right after to give you my full verdict. So this Philips Norelco 3000 series gives a very close shave. The blades are gentle and precise. The one really important thing I want to point out is that this shaver is meant for everyday use. What I mean by that is you will get the best result on a 1 to 2 day beard. If your beard is longer than that, you will need to use the trimmer on the back first to shorten it. Because once your beard is over 3 days, the blades don't catch the hairs very well and you end up pressing too hard, doing a lot of passes, and that leads to irritation. So again, just to be clear, it shaves really well, but only on a 1 to 2 day beard max. Grip and handling are also very good. The shape, the weight and the non-slip grips make it very ergonomic. I was also surprised by the noise level. It's much quieter than similar models from other brands. Feature-wise, it's wet and dry, meaning you can use it in the shower and rinse it easily. The battery gives you 1 hour of use for 1 hour of charging. For the blades, you've got 3 independent stainless steel heads. They are gentle on the skin and adapt well to all the contours of your jaw. On the downside, I have the same issue I usually have with all electric shavers. It's hard to properly shave the hairs around the Adam's apple. I did get some irritation there, but that's almost always the case for me with all electric shavers. So it's more about my skin and face shape than the shaver itself. Other than that, that's it. This is a very good mid-range shaver that will suit most men. If your budget is around $50 to $70 and you are looking for a daily shaver that shaves clothes, doesn't irritate, is waterproof and has a solid battery life, just go for it. I can only recommend it. The Amazon link is in the description. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.